So, what happens when you press pause on tariffs and tell Wall Street it's a great time to buy? Apparently, the market throws a party. Hey everyone, it's Thursday morning, April 10th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. The stock market yesterday went absolutely vertical. The Standard & Poor's 500 jumped more than 9.5%, its biggest single-day gain since way back in 2008. The Nasdaq was the star of the show, soaring 12%, and the Dow added about 3,000 points, closing up 7.8%. So what happened? Well, just before the rally kicked off, President Trump took to Truth Social to say he's authorizing a 90-day pause on tariffs for most countries. During that time, he's also cutting the so-called reciprocal tariff down to 10%. But don't get too comfortable, because at the same time, he announced U.S. tariffs on China will go up to 125%. Trump later told reporters he was motivated in part by the yippee markets. And yeah, he was clearly enjoying the fireworks, calling it the biggest day in financial history. Tech stocks led the charge. Nvidia popped over 18%, Tesla rallied almost 23%, and names like Apple, Meta, and Amazon each gained double digits. Meanwhile, over in the bond market, the 10-year Treasury yield pushed up near 4.4%, reflecting some optimism, or at least relief, after all the recent volatility. But this is still a story of two worlds. China isn't taking this lightly. Beijing said it's slapping 84% duties on U.S. imports starting Thursday. So while Trump's pause might be a tactical retreat, the bigger trade war is still very much alive. All that said, Wednesday gave markets a breather after a brutal stretch. Whether it sticks? That's the question. All right, that's a wrap for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella. Catch you tomorrow.